Azure DevOps Boards is a powerful tool for tracking and managing work within a project. It provides features like work item tracking, Kanban boards, and sprint planning to enhance productivity. Here's how to use it effectively. Navigate to Boards. After logging into your Azure DevOps account and selecting your project, click on the Boards tab in the project menu. Explore board features. Azure Boards provide a visual representation of tasks grouped by status. Add the task. Click plus new work item to create tasks, bugs, user stories, or features. Provide details. Enter the title, description, and assign it to a team member. Add text for categorization and set priorities. Customize column. Adjust columns in the Kanban board to reflect your team's workflow. Move items across statuses. Drag and drop tasks between columns to update their progress. Use backlogs. Prioritize work in the backlog and plan iterations for your team. Track progress. Use burnout charts and velocity reports to monitor progress.